art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna draw a DJ Music Man from Friday Night at Freddy's. Okay, so this spidery looking guy, he has got a lot going on. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw a rectangle like that for his mouth. Draw some line going across. This one just has the white keys for teeth. This one has black keys for the teeth as well. Go. And then we've got a nose, so we're going to start with a C and then come over with another C. Come up and back down for the nose. And then we've got circle, circle, eyebrows, eyebrows. All right, then we have a circle for the cheek, cheek. And then we have a line coming down, around, back up, behind that circle, and around. Then he's got some headphones on, so we're gonna draw an oval, so it's kind of like a smushed circle. And then we're gonna come in, oval, with another line. Then we have the part that goes on top of his head. Comes down. Then we've got the part that comes over here. And you're not going to see all of it. Okay, then we have another line that comes back, up behind the headphone, like so. And then a line coming across. All right, then we have we have a little hat here. There's his hat. It's very tiny. Okay, now for some legs. So we've got one leg coming out here. And then it's got a circle on it. Another leg coming down. And then we've got a C coming over, a C. And then we've got some little fingers here. Little fingers here, and that's about all you see there because they're in front of each other. You could put some more bumps there for the back fingers. All right, then let's see, what else do we have? It looks like we've got another leg coming out here. Here's the circle, and then it comes down behind this one. And then we've got another letter C, goes forward, and then it comes across. There's that arm. And we've got this back part. Like so. Like a letter N, another letter N. Oops, line coming in. Like that. And we've got another one. one's kind of just like sideways. There we go. And then we got this back one here. I do not know how this thing walks. It just looks all kinds of weird. This one has a C on it for the angle. Comes down. There's a foreshortened finger. There we go. And let's see. It looks like we got a little something here. A little bumpy thing, like a little push button thing, and looks like we got a little decoration thing there of some type, and we've got two little lines coming down there, and then it looks like we've got a third leg for a total of 6 coming back here, but you don't really see much of it. Okay, so there is DJ Music Man. There we go. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle Schooler Mania. Forgot this part. There, that's good. Okay.